Sea otters are one of the few non-human animals known to use tools. Floating on their backs, they place a rock on their chest and smash hard-shelled prey, like clams or sea urchins, against it to break them open. This clever behavior allows otters to access food sources that would otherwise be impossible to eat. Each otter often has a favorite rock, even storing it in loose skin folds under their arms when not in use. This remarkable adaptation not only demonstrates intelligence, but also plays a vital role in their survival along rocky coastlines.